Hi, everyone. My name is Liz. I'm a triple gold consultant with Team Sky. So today's training, I'm gonna show you guys how a new app that you can use instead of Google Voice number. I don't even know if they have an app, do they? I don't use their number. So that's the one I've been using since I was in high school, I think middle school. So I'm gonna show it and show you how to download it and how to use it. It's really easy, okay? All you need is an email address. So as long as you have an email, you never had that app before, that's all we need. I don't know if I have an email to use. I do. Let me look. Okay, you can use a domain or any email you want to. So with this number, you can add it to your my Google business page, Yelp, for those of you that do not want to share your personal phone number with customers. That's what I do. Like on social media, if you want to add it. I don't like people calling my phone, to be honest. So I use that number. It's really helpful and it's really easy to use. What I also do, I use it for WhatsApp. I created a WhatsApp business. So I have two different accounts. I use one for my personal WhatsApp, one for my WhatsApp business. You can also add it to your Linktree if you have Linktree. That's a lot of things you can do. And if you have an Android or iPhone, it works on both. I actually started using it on my Android before then. Um, Now I have like 3 or 5 iPhones, so that's what I use. Okay, so I'm gonna show. There's a link. Let me show the link with you guys. I'm gonna paste it. It does say if I share the link, we will both get something. I don't know what it is, but you don't have to use my link, to be honest. I don't care. Um, I really don't mind. But I'm gonna just download it from the App Store. So this is the link. It's really fast to download as well. Let's reveal the app. So like I said, you guys just need an email address. So I don't even know what email I'm gonna use yet because I have so many. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's so easy, right? Okay, let's stop using Google Voice. Okay, let me show you guys. So first, I did have the link. I wanted to use the link, um, to see what happened when I sign up. But I'm gonna open the link. So it already opened to Talkathon. But if you don't have the link, I'm gonna try the link again. Okay, hold on. Just open your App Store or Google Play Store. That's the name of the app. It's already in the text. On the chat, that's the name, Talkathon. Have anyone ever heard of that app? So you're gonna type it in if you can see my phone screen because it's not you cannot use it on the web and you cannot use it on a computer. You never heard of it? Okay. So just type it on your search bar like I did if you want to do that, or you can just click on my link if you're on your cell phone. It's gonna open to the App Store. I'm gonna use my link. This is the first time I'm doing this. That way I can see what happened if I get any rewards or something. And if you can use the link, that'll be helpful. So just click on it, it'll open. That's it. Nada más. And then I already had it before, so that's a different phone. I don't use this phone. That's not my personal phone. So I'm just gonna get the app to show you how to use it and just for that training. Is anyone doing it with me? Let's all do it together. That way we all can get a free number tonight, you know? So see, it's already done. It's already downloaded. I don't know how. I think Android has Google Play Store. So just download it and we're gonna get started. Let me just get an email on my phone in the meantime, because I want to use one of my business email. Is everyone following up?
Following.
Yes. See? Okay. Following along. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna put an email, whatever works. Okay. All right, so let's do it. Let's just does everyone have the app yet or is it still downloading? Downloading? Okay, good. All right, let me just check on the email then. Can you resend the link? Oh yeah, let me do that because you can just type the name on your app store, but yeah, it'll be helpful to use my link because it says like I'm gonna get something, but let's see. I don't know what it says. You're gonna get something, and I'll receive something. So let me paste it again. One moment. You joining your phone? Okay. Oh, I see. Well, you can just copy the name. That's the name. If you don't want to use the link, if you can't click, I think on your phone is better because you can click on the link, it will just open. Just click on that HTTP something and it will open on the App Store or your Google Play Store. Is that what it's called? But that's the name as well. You can just type it in. Um, just like I did here on, like you see on the top here. It's called Talkathon. I hope that's how they say it, but it's amazing. How many people have it? It's not that many. Well, it is. It's over 100. It's amazing, you guys. I love this app. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. So because of this app, nobody's annoying my phone. So it's just really amazing. I love it. Okay, now let's just get started. Let's just sign up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up. Remember, you need an email. That's all you need, an email. If you use an iPhone, you don't really need an email. Well, you do need an email, but you can use your iCloud. So you're gonna click on, once you open it, you're gonna go to sign up. And it says you do have to be 16. I mean, to work here, we have to be 16. So yeah. If you're not 16, you can click. Don't listen to me. But yeah, you gotta be 16 years or older. See how do you have different options? You can log in with Facebook. So yeah, with Apple, my main account, I sign up with Apple. So I don't even know what my email is. It's like them. It's not like a actual email that I use, but so they just create an account for me. Or you can sign in with Google if you have one. But I'm just gonna create. I'm gonna use an email because I have probably have so many Talk on account. I know for sure I have one with all my Gmail. So just enter your email. I'll choose whatever option you want. Maybe some of you guys are already done before me because, oh my God, what am I doing? Okay. I was typing a different email. Okay, let's hope this one works. Are we all on the same page? Yes, see? Yes, okay. All right, so just enter the email. So that's my email. Let me see if I type it properly. Exclusive. Okay, so they're gonna send you a verification. Check your email. I'm gonna check mine. My email is a little different since I use Zoho Mail. Okay, I got it. So it's gonna say, hey, if you don't see it, check your spam or junk mail. Because if it's the first time they send it to you, you most likely have to um check your junk mail. I think mine went to junk mail as well. Because it tells me on my email, I can show it, but it says your verification code is, but it's blank. And it says, if you do not see the verification code, please open this link. When I click the link, it give me my code. So I think if it goes to junk mail, that's how it shows up. But usually it will just show you. But if you use Gmail, it doesn't, you don't have to do that, I think. You don't have to verify anything. You're gonna put your first and last name and your age range. What old I am again? Okay. My birthday is in 21 days. You have a Gmail business email site. I don't know if you can update, but it doesn't matter what email you use because you don't, the email is not, they're not gonna email you or anything like that. It's just to create the account. Because I'm using my business email right now. If you look at the screen, that's a business email as well. It's just to get, it's just to be attached to it. But you can always create a new account. But to create a new account, you have to delete the app and download a new download it again. Once you download it, that's when you can have an option to sign. Oh, thank you. You're gonna have the option to create a new account because there's no option to sign out, if that makes sense. But you do have an option to get a new number. You can burn your number each time. Let's say someone is bothering you. You don't want to use that number anymore. You can just, you know what? Let me change my number. But you don't really want to do that if you use that for your business because you don't want to keep changing your business number. But you can use your business email. That's what I'm doing now. I think you can update it. I think I see that. See, once you click next, that's what it does. It gives me a number. I'm in Florida, so I guess it knows where I am. I have a 954. That's a Fort Lauderdale number. So yeah, 95. So I like this number. I'll keep it, but you can choose a different one if you want. You see how it says if you don't like this number, you can choose a different one. If you want a different area code, you can enter it here on the top. But I like it. Me gusta. Yeah, you can choose like my other phone number, my business number is a 305. That's a Miami area code. Okay. Are we all following along or maybe just watching to see? You see how easy it is? Just the email, get the app. That's it. Put your name and that's all. It's super easy. I don't know how Google Voice is. Okay, I like this number, so I'm gonna click get number. Um, yeah, they do. You can call 911. So okay, that's fine. Okay, so they do have something called Talkathon Plus. I signed up with it once because I needed some short code text. What that is when you're signing up or posting jobs online, they will send you codes, verification codes. I was getting so many, and then it asked me if I wanted to upgrade because I couldn't get it. But you don't have to upgrade. That it's only $3.99 too, so it's really cheap if you wanted to upgrade for that. But you do get short code text. And I remember back then when I signed up for WhatsApp business and I couldn't get the code for whatever reason. I just choose to get a phone call. So the call always come through. You always get your text as well. It's just for short code because even your carrier charge for short code text. So some short code form depends on where it's coming from. You might not receive it. So if you want to sign up for a month, just use it. That's up to you. But it's free. The app is free. That's just extra thing. Or if you want to lock your number forever, which I'm gonna get into. Do I want it to use my location? That's what it's asking me for. I don't mind. Okay, no. So if you want notification, it's up to you. If you want when someone texts you, like let's say you use it for your business and you want to know when a customer reach out, you can use notifications. But me, I use zero notification. I don't like notifications. I just check it. Do I want it to have access to my contact? Yes. Because I do want all my contacts to be in microphone. Yes. Okay, yay, that's my number. So it's on the top. You see how it says share number. If you tap on it, you can share your number. Okay, so I'm gonna text myself just so, oh, what should I do? That's my number. Okay, I'm gonna text myself just so we can test it. It's working. 954-264-61. Any questions so far? I hope I texted it right.
It's giving me trouble to
Where was it?
it's giving me trouble to sign up because it's claiming that it's not available in my area.
Oh, yeah, you're in a different country unless if they're blocking access. Are you using Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is it saying? It's not eligible in Barbados? Is that what it is?
Very much so.
Okay, well, when you come back to the state, you can download. I mean, you can probably sign up then. Even if you use Gmail to log in, you have Gmail?
I do, and I'm using Gmail to log in, and it's still giving me the same message.
Yeah, it's probably the country. But you actually you can text international. Maybe it's not in the list for Barbados.
Mm, okay.
Well, you can try it when you come back. Okay, so now I did text myself. Let me show you guys. So I text myself on my cell phone. You guys can see the text. So I'm gonna reply back. My name is already saved on the phone. That's why it's showing my name. Um, so you can text back. It's gonna be in green. Oh, that's loud. Oh my God. It's gonna be in green like a Android. So I'm gonna text myself back. You can see the messages. Okay, that's how the sound is. You can also change the sound if you don't like that sound. I don't know why my phone is not on silent. Let me put it on silent. Okay, you can send pictures, you can send links. See, this is my Calendly link. I just texted to myself. So I receive it. I'm gonna send a picture. Let's see. Okay, see how I'm texting myself. So that's how it will be when you text your clients, or if they find your number online, when they text you, you will just check this app. Let me show you. Oh, it's recording. Oh, I forgot. Okay. So wait, what's the app again? Where does it look like? Why is it not here? Okay. My God. That's what the app looked like. talkathon with the little blue square with the phone icon. So click on it. So you can also you have the can dial a number. Why is it so loud? Oh my God, that is super loud. You can actually text. When you click on that, all your number will show up on the top to text. You can just look for a name. Since I already have all the names saved, I can just look. Anyway, um, I don't have to show all of that. But so this is the settings. So the option I was talking about, which is the Talkathon Plus. So what it's saying is non-expiring phone number. So since this is a free phone number, they do want you to use it once a month. Sometimes I do forget. And if you don't, they'll probably give that number to someone else. So you'll still be able to use it. You're just gonna have to get a new number. So once a month, if you don't use it, just text yourself, hey, that's what I do. But I do use my oh, that's them telling me welcome. So it's free in Canada. Let's see what they said. I mean, if you guys have it, you probably already know. So yeah, it's free in Canada, US. Da, 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 da. Yeah, see, SMS and pictures are also free. It's amazing. So when you travel, if you're on a cruise and somebody don't have WhatsApp or you don't have social media, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you can text. Um, so if you want to lock in your number, like where you don't have to worry about texting every month, you can sign up for $3.99. That's really cheap, and that's all the option it has. You can still do call forwarding though. I don't know what it's not. I don't know why I'm saying that there, but so if you click on call forwarding setting, and that's what I do. Okay, I forward every call to voicemail. So if you guys ever call me that, but that's not my personal number. So yeah, all my agent have my personal number. So yeah, so what that does when you once you enable it, everybody that calls you, it goes to voicemail. If you're the type of person that like talking on the phone, leave it on. If you want when your customer call you to have it, then yeah. I believe this one, oh yeah, they changed it. That's what they're saying. Oh, yeah, I see. It used to be free, I think. Come on, come on. Where's it? Oh, I don't have. Okay, that's why it is. Okay. So I forward everything to voicemail. So yeah, they right. If you want to forward it to your number, like let's say you just needed the free number so you don't have your personal phone online. So you when you subscribe to the Talkathon Plus, I don't have a subscription. You don't need it. I did back then because I needed the short code text, like I mentioned. Then you'll be able to turn this on. So what that does, the forward to a number, whenever someone dial your number, like that number, Talkathon number, is gonna ring to your phone. So it's gonna forward to your number. Once you select it, it's not letting me do it now because I don't have the plus. It's smart now. And then it's gonna ask you what number you want it to be um forwarded to. It can be your number, any number. Let's say you have someone that want to help you answer phone calls, you can just forward it to their phone number. So does that make sense? I just want to cover a free trick, but we done here, you know. I already show you guys the app. Yeah, I'm gonna put my link when I post it on YouTube. You have to click on Google to sign up like that. Oh, I see. Wait, is that you, Colin? Who's that? Oh no, that's Lisa. Oh yeah, yes, that's true. Yeah, you're right. Either you click on Google or you type the email in. Oh yeah, one of them, and it's gonna ask you to log in. Yeah, you have to click on Google to sign up. If you have a Gmail, you can. I don't think you can type. You can't type it in. Most likely, you have to log in. Yes. For those of you, if you guys have any error. Thank you for saying this, though, Lisa. Okay. Um. So credit, that's for international calling. I don't do it. Um. We don't need that. I mean, if you guys want to do international, then you can maybe look into that rate. They do have some cheaper rates than when you purchase plan to call outside, but the app offer better rate if you do want to use it for international calling. Yeah, so you see how it says remove ads. It's not one of those app where you download it and it's like a game that's full of ads. I never really see any ads. Like maybe, well, that's an ad on the top. You see that? That's it. So in order for it to run free, they sometimes have a pop-up ad and you can always close it on the top. But sometimes it's not like annoying where you have, plenty of ads and stuff like that. But there's one on the top right now. So I'm guessing that's how they keep it free. Because we're not paying for it. It's free. So. So that's the sound. So I'm gonna put that off. Oh, that's vibration. That's the sound. It's so loud. So I'm gonna put none. I don't want no sound. Um, enabling app notifications. I mean, it's up to you, whatever your notification you want your notification to be. Privacy mode, if you want the name of the person that shows up, but not the contact name. It's up to you. You guys can play with the setting. It's really simple. You can block any number. So you can click add and block the number. If they're being annoying, block. Save their number or just block. That's what I clicked on earlier to share my link, to invite friends. I don't know if I really get something for it, but anyway, they have a contact option. I don't even think they ever replied, to be honest. If you wanted to close your account, you can click on close account to close it. History of what? Oh, yeah, that's if you want to clear your calls history, messages. So you will click on that. So I'm just showing basically the setting, but um, sounds voicemail option as well. You can either create your own custom voicemail, or you can just use the default one they have. You will be notified if you want. If you don't want that, you can turn it off. So when someone leave you a voicemail, you get an email letting you know, hey, this number leave you a voicemail, and you just have to check the app, and the voicemail will be on the top. I believe, yes, it'll be right here on that little three, two, like sunglasses. I don't have any voicemail since that number is new. So if you want to burn your number, you want to change the phone number, you don't like the number, you can click on here, get a new number. That's what you have to do. So you're gonna click burn now, and it's gonna change your number. But we don't have to do that. I mean, if you want to change the number, you don't like it, click burn now, and it's gonna give you a new phone number. It says online dating using Craigslist. See, that's a good option if you're using Craigslist or anything like that. Job posting. If you put it this in a different places. What do you if you put this number on a different places? How can you know where it's coming from before answering? Is that possible? What do you mean? Um, if you put it in different places, only thing I think you meant if you forward it to a different number. I think when it ring, it's just gonna ring. It's just gonna say somebody's calling. But when you put the number, so every call gonna come through that app. Once they call you, you're gonna hear the phone ring and you're gonna have to click on the app to answer it. Once they text you, what's going on? Did I stop sharing? Yes, it just stopped sharing. Can you am I answering the question properly, or because I have that number, I have my number and everywhere. I have it on my link tree. I really have it everywhere. Let me go back to the chat. Like a whisper. Okay. What is that? Do you mind coming on the mic, or I'm a little confused?
I'm just trying to ask if there's a whisper before we answer the phone. Like, like does it tell you like where the call is from?
No.
What I mean?
Well, it doesn't tell you where it's coming from. Let me try to call myself. It doesn't tell you where it's coming from. Let me just show you.
So all the calls just okay, got it.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a random person's phone. That's why I send it to my voicemail. That's why I forward it to voicemail. A lot of time I get in a day, I get like 20 voicemail, and I just listen to
Oh,
it.
okay.
Or I'll text them and say, hey, hold on this. I just text them, hey, where are you? What do you want? Because I'm a mentor, so I do job posting. So oh my God. Sometimes people will call you for the craziest thing. Like they will read the instruction, they still call you. And it's like, hey, I did it. And, I'm like, okay, okay. So they would just leave a voicemail. So imagine if I had to pick all these calls. So it would be like, maybe I should get to number one for mentoring and one for my business. So, but they leave voicemail. And most of the time they text me. I get mostly text when it
Oh,
comes
okay.
to my customers. But let me try to call myself. Let's see what happened. That way you guys can see it. Is my screen sharing? Oh yeah, my phone is on do not disturb, so it went to voicemail. Wait, when I did forward it to voicemail. Hold on. Let me remove it. See? I don't know if you guys hear it. Let me do it again. You are trying to reach is unavailable. Please leave a message and someone will return your call as soon as possible. Thank you. So I can leave a voicemail. See, I'm talking right now. Hi, call me back. It's gonna come into me. See, it's just pop up same time. I just finished. It's a new voicemail. So if I listen to it, I can click play. See how easy that was? So that's a voicemail I just left. If you want to see your voicemail, you're always gonna see a red one once there's something you haven't replied to. So you're gonna click on it and listen to it. If the name is saved, you're gonna see the person's name, but if not, it's not gonna save. But now I'm gonna call it again since I remove it. Let's see if this name is Ashley. I hope you bought this color from but it only shows, I think, I don't know, I don't remember if it shows where the number is coming from, but it's only gonna show the name if it's saved. It's not like it's gonna detect where it's coming from. Um, but that's how then it will shows up when you see. I just left another voicemail because I didn't pick up, but okay. You said, let me see if I cover everything with that. So you can always get a new number. The credit is only for international call, like I said. If you want to purchase credit. Okay. You said I have two numbers. Okay, I do have the thing is I have several phones. I have so many phones. I don't even know how many phones I got. I got a lot of phones. So on each phones I have a different talker tone. So different accounts. So this one I'm on, I just created this account. This one I'm on, I use this number for this number I have on, I use it for my WhatsApp business. So if somebody don't can't if they're living in another country, they want to message me, I use that for WhatsApp business. My other phone, that's the number I have on for my team building. I reach out to anyone that's gonna sign up first on that number. I don't text them from my personal number because people are crazy sometimes. You don't want them to know your personal number until you really think they are serious. And I use it for everything, like all my travel related business. So anyone that's find me on Google, Facebook, Instagram, they reach out to that number. Then once I feel like they ready, I just text them on my personal number. But I have two different accounts. You can have two different accounts on one phone, but you can't log in on both. So you're gonna have every time you want to log in on another one, you're gonna have to delete the app actually, because you can't sign out. There's no option to sign out. Hopefully they add that. It's annoying. You can only delete the app, download it again, and log into a different account. But if you do want to change your phone number, you can get a new number. I don't see an option to change the email though. You can close the account. The setting is really simple. So if you want the notification, you can. What else you guys to share? Okay. I think I covered everything. Let me see what else. Just remember to text once a month, if that makes sense, okay? Because it's free, but they do want you to text at least once a month because they want you to use it. It's not just for to sit here forever. So you have to text yourself. Um, but you don't really need the plus button, like I said as well. You can always get short code. It will text you the code, the verification code. Like let's say you use a free trial with your number. You want to use your talkative number, you can do that. Okay, so I'll show you guys all of that. Like I said, don't forget to use WhatsApp with it if you guys want. If you want to create a business WhatsApp, because they have WhatsApp business or regular WhatsApp. That's what I do. Um, any questions? I think I covered everything. If you do have Linktree as well, add it to your Linktree. That's what I do. I put my number on the top. I say, hey, call me. If you guys need a quote or any questions. I mean, some people that do team building here, I mean, if you guys are mentors, they actually some of them use their will number. I couldn't imagine doing that. Some of these texts you will get are crazy. And I wouldn't want to write it in my will number like that. I mean, it happened with my will number before. I just block them and keep it moving, but that's really a useful number to use, to be honest. Instead of Google Voice number. I don't know how that works, because I think I had it when I started. I never even received no calls. And I don't know if they have an app for Google Voice number. This one is also free. It's on your phone. It's like your personal phone. It's just an app, just like this one. See, I have two apps. This one is just green. I mean, I don't know what it looked like on an Android. Oh, not really, to be honest. I just had such a big problem with what is it? Xfinity Mobile. But not really. I have T-Mobile, do yeah. So I have good service. I just every time I switch my phone, I keep them. So I always do like the trading, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want to trade in. I'll keep my phone. So right now I have an XR and an the new one, the 15. I'm using both of them right now. I do have a 6. I have an Android too. I have like 2 Androids, so but not all of them. See, with the Talkathon, you don't really need you don't have to pay a phone bill. You can use Wi-Fi, which is good. Only thing you need is Wi-Fi with Talkathon. So everywhere you go to have Wi-Fi anywhere in the world, you can use Talkathon, which is amazing. But I like having many phones. But I only use my personal phone. I do everything on it, to be honest, because now I have Talkathon on there, just like you see on this phone. I have two apps, so it's really useful. I can just switch. So every day I check it because I get many texts on it. So I check it once a day, like not once, multiple times a day. Check my voicemail, then I reply to them. If I have to call anyone back, I call them back. But most likely when they leave a voicemail, they will leave a details voicemail, where they're calling from or anything like that. I mean, anything they really need. Um, do you recommend forwarding it? You don't have to do that. I did that once because I had give somebody a number. I mean, I don't even want to explain why, but I did that once, but you don't have to. I forwarded it to my personal number. So every time they would call, they would come to my number. It would be me picking up because I didn't want them to know my real number. So, but to do that, you have to have the plus. And I had to pay for that. And that's when I paid for it and I realized it was good because I was able to get more code, like text code. I could sign up for everything I needed and I'll get the text code. But I stopped paying for that. But it's optional. But I do recommend to forward it to voicemail though. If you work, you in school, you don't want people calling you randomly because people will call you for not for no reason, but sometimes there are reasons people call you. It's really pointless. It's something they could have just text. But if it's like a customer online, they found you, most likely they want to talk to you to see if you will, because there's a lot of fake people, I mean scam, fake businesses online pretending to be travel agents. So they would probably want to call to make sure you will. So if they leave a voicemail, then you can call back. If you don't have to forward it to voicemail. To forward it, you go to call forwarding. Yeah. Let me put it back on. I don't need that number. So most likely I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna sign back out and sign in back onto my old account. You really, yes. My pleasure. I really hope this training help a lot of people because some people don't like using Google Voice. Is that what I said? Yeah. So they wanted some things, I guess, more simple. And that's so easy. De nada. I hope you can download it soon, Colleen. I mean, I don't know if it's saying you can't, then most likely it's because of the country you're in.
Yeah, most likely.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Any questions? No. I hope I cover everything. If you guys have any question, you can always message me on Messenger. Oh, when I post this, you can always comment. I'm gonna also post my link in the description for Talkathon. Right, I hope it was helpful. I'm gonna post the recording by tonight or tomorrow. I think no one has any question. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are watching this on my YouTube or if you're gonna watch it, okay? Have a good night though. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Thank you.
You're welcome.